Ever wondered how some people manage to earn impressive amounts from online businesses while others struggle to make a dime? The secret is not in merely selling products, but in selling high-ticket products. It's a world where your earnings are not dictated by the number of sales you make, but rather by the value of each sale. Imagine trading the stress of chasing countless sales for the satisfaction of making significant profits from fewer valuable transactions. Let's delve into the world of high-ticket products and how they can transform your online business. So what exactly are high-ticket products, you may ask? Well, high-ticket items are those products or services that are sold at a considerably higher price point compared to other products in the market. They are often premium, high-value offerings that provide immense value to the customer. They differ from low-ticket items, which are usually cheaper, everyday items that people buy without much thought. High-ticket products, on the other hand, often require a more substantial investment from the customer, both financially and emotionally. The benefits of selling high-ticket products are numerous. They generate higher profit margins, require fewer sales to achieve the same revenue, and often attract a more committed and loyal customer base. However, the challenges are real too. It requires a deeper understanding of your customers, more persuasive selling techniques, and often a higher level of customer service. Selling high-ticket products might seem daunting, but with the right strategies, it can be highly lucrative. But how do you attract customers willing to spend big on high-ticket items? Well, the secret lies in building a community around your brand. A community isn't just a group of people. It's a collective, it's a tribe, a family. These are the folks who believe in your brand and what it stands for. They are the ones who will rely behind your high-ticket products because they trust in your credibility and quality. Think about it. Will you rather buy an expensive gadget from a faceless corporation or from a friend who swears by it? That's the power of community. It's about creating that bond, that connection that makes people feel like they are part of something bigger. So how do we build and nurture this community? First off, be authentic. People can sniff out insincerity a mile away. Share your journey, your struggles, your wins. Let them see the real you. Next, engage with your community. Don't just talk at them. Talk with them. Respond to their comments. Share their posts. Ask for their opinions. Make them feel heard and valued. Next, provide value beyond your products. Share tips, insights, or even a behind-the-scenes look at your process. Make your community a place of learning and growth. Remember, your community is not just a source of income. It's a group of people who trust and believe in your brand. And that is the real currency in the world of high-ticket products. Now, let's talk about the products you're selling. You see, the magic ingredient to successful selling isn't just about having a great product. It's about promoting something you genuinely believe in. It's about authenticity and passion. Let's think about it. When you are passionate about what you are selling, your energy is contagious. It radiates in every word you speak, in every message you send. It's that spark that turns a casual viewer into a loyal customer. Authenticity, on the other end, is what builds trust. People can sense when you are being real, and they are more likely to buy from someone they trust. It's a simple human instinct. So, the secret isn't just about finding the most expensive product or the one with the highest commission. It's about finding a product that you can stand behind, one that aligns with your values and beliefs. When you believe in your products, selling becomes a joy, not a chore. So, we have discussed high-ticket products, building a community, and promoting products you believe in. These are not just concepts, but integral components of a successful online business. High-ticket products provide the potential for substantial profit, but they require a strategic approach. They are not impulse purchase, but investments made by informed customers. And that's where building a community comes in. A community is not just a group of followers, but a network of relationships. It's about fostering trust, providing value, and engaging in meaningful dialogue. Remember, people buy from people they trust. Promoting products you believe in isn't just about authenticity. It's about alignment. Your values, your mission, and your products should be in sync. When they are, your message becomes more powerful, your community more engaged, and your business more profitable. Now, ask yourself, are you ready to transform your online business with high-ticket products and a dedicated community? Well, watch this video next because we explain how big companies like Nike started and how we can do the same to grow successful online business today. See you in the next one.